How do you fix Sid Meier's Civilization crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11 command and then go to the installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam, open up a new browser tab and go to this link, which is in the description below. And from this table here, you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64, both of these for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. And from there, check for the updates and get the latest available update. And next, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch your game from the library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.